here's an idea I was thinking about today. If you're getting different suppliers sending you different samples for your Amazon products, all right, how do you save a whole bunch of money? What's the best way of saving money, all right? Because if you're dealing with 3 different suppliers, let's say, for example, I was selling like pillows, for instance, right? I was selling these pillows, and I was talking to 3 different suppliers to sell these pillows on Amazon, and I wanted them to send me one of these pillows as basically a sample. Now I've got to pay 3 lots of shipping from 3 different suppliers. What is the best way of solving that? And I can tell you right now, the best way of solving that is actually it's called sample amalgamation, and it's very easy, very easy to do, right? It's just a matter of asking your supplier to send it to one central location in China, assuming that you are dealing with China right here. And there are companies out there. We've actually got a company on the ground in Shenzhen in China, and what they will do is that if you're dealing with 3 different suppliers, they'll send all their samples to this one place in, for example, Shenzhen. They'll put all those products together in one box and amalgamate it, okay, or aggregate it, or whatever you want to call it, right? They'll put it in one box and they'll send it over to you in one go. So you instantly save shipping, instantly save a whole bunch of money on shipping. So that's something to consider. Have a think about it. If you are looking for more training, more advice, check out our webinar. We do actually talk sometimes about sample amalgamation, but we've got a free training there. We've got a blog, but hit us up, give us a call in the office if you're looking for help in selling on Amazon. 02-8003-7534. The number's on the screen, 02-8003-7534. And I'd love to chat with you. I'd love to give you some ideas. I'd love to have a chat with you about your ideas on selling on Amazon. All right, have a great day. Talk soon. Bye for now. See you later. Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. You know, what's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.